What is you doing? Hey, if you ain't working hard, what is you doing now? If you ain't working hard, what is you doing? Yeah, my people get to it. Running it up, what we doing? Selling this out, get front of the price. My phone and don't be booming. 40 clock, I been through a lot. If you ain't working hard, what is you doing? Yeah, my people get to it. Running it up, what we doing? Selling this out, get front of the price. My phone and don't be booming. People 40 clock, I been through a lot. My life is a movie.
If you ain't working hard, what you doing? You begging. Probably somewhat stressing. You really ain't getting checks in. I really be getting bands out. Smoke a blunt till I pass out. I ain't never got a hand out.
Ooh, what's good? It's your boy, Migo the Entrepreneur. I'm back, man, with another one. Y'all already know. I just got to this job. It's commercial property. I'm just connecting my water right now. Connecting my water, getting everything situated. I'm about to show y'all what we doing. Hope everybody having a great day all morning so far. Let me show y'all what we doing. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. We in the city of Decatur today. I'm gonna flip this camera around, show y'all what we doing, man. First of all, I like this project because we got hot water and cold water. He said I can use either or, but I'm gonna use cold water right now. I really don't need hot water, but if I do, I can use it though. But yeah, we gotta do this. All the bricks. I'm about to put a hot mix on all this. Straight 12.5. All this about to get cleaned up. All that moss, screen all up through there. We just gonna slide them around, clean around those. They do move, so I can move them. I ain't finna pick it down and move it. But yeah, if y'all ever in the city of Decatur, y'all check this place out. Good food, Irish place. Got good food. Y'all check them out. We gotta clean up under this tent right here. I'm just gonna spray a soft wash mix up under there. Clean that up real good, give it a good rinse. Can get all this cleaned up. I'm gonna put a soft wash. I'm gonna surface clean all this. Slide this stuff, man. These walls, they dirty. Yeah, I got my water connected though. That's what I was just doing. I got my water connected. I got enough hoses. I'm good. I'm about to get set up, y'all, and get started. I'm about to put some of my soft wash, some of my mix in a pump up sprayer. I'm gonna need a hot mix for some of that today. I got straight 12.5. I'm about to get set up, y'all, and get right, and I'm gonna be back with some more footage, man. It's gonna be a good one today. Started rinsing down up here. Get all these leaves and cigarette butts and, you know, all that stuff like that out the way before I start applying this chemical. I already got the chemical sitting up under the tin over there. I'm finna go over there and rinse in a minute. Once I put the chemical down over here and let it dwell a little bit, I'm gonna go over there and rinse. Have that out the way. Be right back, y'all. Get all this sprayed down up under here. Got your party tent if you need to spray it now, clean up. Let's go. Got Babe up in there, getting the hot mix on everything. I'm about to come through with this turbo nozzle. Make sure y'all wear y'all safety stuff. I just be bucking and I just be going. Don't be like me, but get your safety. all that. Gotta get this stuff cleaned up. All that came off this wall.
Show y'all a little tour of what's going on.
Alright, y'all. This is where we got this thing looking good out here. We did move everything. Rearranged everything. Put everything back. Got everything out here clean. Post treated. Clean out here. Flow, everything. Poles. Sprayed all the tables down. Cleaned all them tables off. Got the thing cleaned out here. They still doing a little rinsing. Got all that clean up there. All this clean. We about to wrap it up, man. Get up out of here, man. We about to wrap it up. Clean up under here too. I almost forgot to show y'all. Flow got a little cleaning. Tables got clean. Rinsed down real good. It's over with YouTube. Deal we had to do, over with, out of here. Who next? Commercial properties, tap in. We don't just do residential, we A1 commercial too.